go.
Yeah. I wanted to talk about like, what's your opinion on like NOFAP? Cause like man's been doing it for about a year now, and I can see from my experience, it's made me more motivation. I've gotten way more now because of NOFAP. Like you get me. Yeah. So I feel like it's helped me. Like I've just become an overall better person because of it. Yeah. What's your opinion on NOFAP?
NOFAP is good. It does give you them benefits of like, you know, assertiveness. Like I noticed when I was jacking off all the time, yeah. Like bro, I was lazy as just keep it real. Press 1 in the chat if you've had a sly porn addiction, bruv. I'm putting both my hands up, bruv. Yeah, hard, serious one, bro. And the thing is, you know when you're like that, yeah, you just tired, you want to stay indoors and beat your meat. Yeah, exactly. Like, that's it, bruv. Like, it's just yeah. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, and you definitely, your confidence, your self-esteem will go down. You don't even want to talk to girls. Like,
because you're like, you're just content because, like, you feel like, oh, you don't need no girls because, like, you're watching porn, innit?
Yeah, and then the thing is, the girls you're watching on the porn, they look like fucking superstars and that, and then normal girls on road, they just look like normal girls. So then you're like, I don't even like these girls. You get me? I got my laptop there. You get me? You get me? So do you know what I mean? It's tough. But the thing about porn, it's hard to give that shit up. It's hard to kick that thing,
it's
bro.
hard, fam.
Hard, because once you've been on that vibe for so long, it's like that's your lifestyle now. It becomes your lifestyle.
Watching it when like freaking 12, innit? Literally just last year is when I quit. From 12 to 16, all I was doing, I was watching porn, beating my meat. Like it was mad, isn't it? Like, so
but that's the thing. No, but that's the thing. I think most guys go through the phase of like just busting nuts on himself, bruv. Like that's that.
Especially because
and the thing is, a lot of guys will lie and say that, oh no, I'll never do that. They're lying, bruv.
No, tell the truth. Especially that quarantine period, because I couldn't go out as well during that like 2020.
Yeah, you was losing body weight, bruv. You was getting skinny, bruv. You was getting skinny. And then especially, you know, you trying to go out to move to girls and they don't have it, and they then after a while you're just like, this, man. Where's that laptop at? You get me? But yeah, it's good. You get a lot of benefits though. You become more like assertive, more. I don't know. You get this kind of stronger energy. Like you're just stronger. Like you're more. I will say this: you become more aggressive though. But you can
because you can focus the extra testosterone, innit?
Yeah, so you can focus that aggression into your work or whatever. Like maybe you play a sport or something, that you can focus your aggression into something, and so
and it helps in the bedroom as well, innit?
Yeah. Oh, let me tell you about this. And again, as I said, I always got experiences, blood. So you know, like boom, like you're beating your meat quite regularly, yeah. So boom, now you're used to watching these beautiful girls getting f***ed and you beating your meat. Yeah. So boom, when you actually get in a situation where you're with a real girl, yeah, blood, your dick's not working properly, bruv. Bruv, press 1 in the chat if this has happened to you. Bruv, this has happened to me. Yeah? Where you've gone in now, you beat your meat so much, yeah, that now your dick is acclimatized to just laptop screen X videos, bruv. So now you get to the point where you get to beat a girl. The girl's actually ready and willing to like let you stick your meat in there, and your dick's not working. It's not working. Embarrassment. And the thing is, and then you start to think things like, oh, why is this happening? When I wake up in the morning, my dick is hard as shit. As soon as I see my laptop, my dick gets hard. But now with this girl, now my dick's it's funny, but it's real. It's funny, but it's real, bro. Like, do you get what I'm saying? So
before I'd have to like do that full play to get up. Now, as soon as that walks into the door, it's like already on rock, innit? You get me?
Yeah, man, trust me. Like, trust me. If for me personally, I said this on my Snapchat and the other day. I was like, bruh, like I get boners a lot in it, like easy. Like, do you get what I'm saying? Like, and that's how you should be as a guy. Like, you should naturally.
Yeah.
A girl can turn you on kind of quick, because that's a good sign of health. Do you get what I'm saying? If you're just there, the girl's naked, like she's rubbing on you or whatever, she's giving you head or something, you're not getting hard, bruv. That's a problem, bruv. You're on ex-hamster a little bit too much, bruv. Yeah, ex-hamster, bruv. At least give your dick a break, bruv. And this is the thing. As a guy that has watched a lot of porn as well, like I've fucked a lot of girls, but I've watched a lot of porn as well. Yeah. Like, it's a thing where, like, at least, if it's a thing of, like stopping completely is too hard, try to give yourself a break, like, from it. Like, try and think about doing other shit, like, distract yourself, like, go bed early. Do you get what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, because
like,
that night time.
Yeah, the night time, you start, oh, man. This is what happens, yeah? So at night time, yeah, you're either you're watching YouTube or you're watching a movie or you're watching TV, yeah, you see some buff thing. Because you know certain times, yeah, in these like when you're watching TV or whatever, they'll do these sex scenes, like not too graphic, but like you'll see a thing and you think, oh, I wanna f her, like, and you're just set now. Now you're just like, I just wanna fucking bust a nut, bro. Like, you get me?
Yeah, fam.
Yeah, oh, Instagram, that's the worst blood. Instagram would get you in trouble, fam. Instagram used to be worse before. Like now like a lot of shit is like censored. But on Instagram before, bro, they used to have pages where it was like 24/7 or some shit. Then it'll be just like girls in bras, but you can see their nipples through the bar, bruh. Like, they're basically naked, bruh.
One of my brethren, I tried to like make him like go on this like NOFAP thing as well. My man was like 2 months, he was clear. As soon as he went on Twitter, no, but
it's true though. My one was not really Twitter. My one was Instagram. As soon as you go on the explore page and you see these banging chicks with their fake bodies, blood, and they're bending over and doing sexy poses, you're like, man, I just want to but I can't. So what's the next thing I can do? Pornhub. The thing is, for us guys, it's not good because your brain has made a mental connection to porn.
Porn.
Yeah, porn is your sex now, innit? So when you have actually real sex, you can't perform because your brain's like, what the is this?